Hey guys, welcome back to Niko Brothers. So today is the day, hopefully, where we get this windshield replaced. Yes, we got our parts one right there. All we gotta do is take that one off, take this one off, and swap them over. Sounds easy, right? Well, apparently not. So honestly, it's gonna be kind of hard because taking that one off without cracking, without breaking is gonna be a pain in the butt. Then you gotta prep it, you gotta clean it, make sure it's all good, and then carefully reinstall it over there. It's about $2,000 to $3,000 a windshield. There's no guarantees in this. I mean, that's our parts car right there. We gotta get that replaced. It's definitely be exciting, kind of nervous about it. I hope it really works out, but you know, that's part of the game. No risk, no Ferrari or Freightliner. No risk, no reward. That's what they say, right? So hopefully it'll work out without a problem. I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's go ahead and get to it and see what we need to get done. So I'm inside my good one right now, and basically you can see that I already have my plastic pieces off that we took it off before. I'm gonna go ahead and inside my parts one and take those plastic pieces off as well and prepare for it. We have somebody coming out to help us do the swap, so hopefully they'll be able to knock it out. Don't want to tackle it alone. Too big of a project, honestly. Bringing in the experts. All right, so now I'm in my parts RV. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking it apart so I can get to that windshield, save the parts I need, get rid of what I don't, and just start going at it. Let's get it done. So it looks like to get to that glass, I'm gonna have to take this dash off a little bit. So I'm gonna take it apart. Good thing I know how it works, so just kind of dirty. But that's part of the game, not a problem. I'm gonna go ahead and take that dash and just unbolt it and move it forward. There we go, getting closer to the main windshield. Got most of the dash taken apart. Get my little side things off and go at it. All right, guys. We got our local glass guys out here, Ed's Auto Glass. They're our experts. They're gonna get this thing hopefully safely off. There's no guarantees. That makes sense. This thing is huge, but hey, you know, it's part of the risk. High reward. So they're going at it. Looks like they're gonna cut off the glue first. The string, or what is that? It's like
a special wire. Well, it is a string, but it's a wire tool that removes glass. It's safer this way. The chances of saving the glass are a lot higher than using some old methods that used to be used, so.
All right, let's get it done.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Got the final top piece going on. Get it cut out. Get this thing popped out. All right, so now take out the bad windshield. Get that carefully removed without making too much of a mess. I got my nice dash in there. And then get this thing installed. Got it covered up so it doesn't get too hot. All right, moving forward. There it goes, getting all prepped up, cleaned out. We did the lines a little bit so we got a nice straight edge. Oh yeah, get this thing installed in no time. All right, guys, just like that, the front glass is installed and we're definitely moving forward on the build. Another shout out to Ed's Auto Glass. Thanks guys so much for helping out. I mean, they were quick, they're professionals, they got it in. Saved so much money doing this. I'm so happy we had that parts car. It worked out fantastically. It was definitely a risk. We were kind of nervous about it, but hey, it worked out at the end, so I'm really happy about that. I'll actually leave their number down below. They're upstate South Carolina if you ever need some glass done. These guys are great. They'll come out and get it done, no problem. Awesome. Just look at that piece of glass. It's crazy. I mean, it's pretty thick too. There's my old piece. It's just so sad it had those little cracks in it, but I don't even know what to do with it. If you guys have some ideas what we could do with that, let us know. Write some comments below. We could have some fun with it. Test the durability of it or something like that. Either way, that's done with. All right, guys, and just like that, front windshield is installed, and it's feeling so much better in here, but everything basically being closed in. But I want to talk about another product that we're adding to our camper, and it's called My Waggle. It's pretty cool. So basically, this is a real-time temperature monitoring system for your pets, so you know what your temperature is inside your RV at all time. I mean, literally, it sends you alerts, text messages, emails. It'll tell you what the temperature is, if it falls below or gets too hot. That's pretty cool. Honestly, I don't have any pets, but it'd be honestly nice to have inside because this thing has its own 4G LTE Verizon network system. Wow, with a GPS system in it, so you can know exactly where your camper is. That's pretty awesome. Also a battery backup, so 5 days, if anything happens, it's got its own battery inside of it. It's rechargeable, but you plug it into your RV, your power goes out, it'll tell you, hey, your power's out, and the temperature and stuff like that. So if you do have pets in here, it'll notify you, which is pretty awesome. For me personally, I really like the whole GPS with its own basically satellite system to it. So it's got its own network, you don't have to worry about it. It's got a tracking system, so if anything does happen, you know exactly where your camper's at, because we put a lot of work into this RV and I'd hate to lose it. If you guys remember our Mustang, actually I had a Mustang stolen from me. I'd love to have a little tracking system there. So we'll have this thing plugged away. We'll know how hot it is, how cold, if it's working, and where it's at all time. It definitely gives you a peace of mind you can rest assured if you're out there, you know, at the campfire or something like that, or if you go out, you know, with the guys in the truck, you don't have to worry about your stuff back home because you got it taken care of. It's pretty cool. So let me show you what I got and talk a little more about it. So it comes in this little box right here. Honestly, it's nice and small. I don't know if I'm going to put it right here next to my AC so I know what temperature it is, because it'll tell you exactly what's going on. Right now it's 80 in here, which isn't bad because outside is a lot hotter. So I'm pretty happy with that. It comes off this little case. You can mount it wherever you want. Maybe I'll put it in the bottom somewhere or hide it kind of thing. I don't know. We'll see where we mount it, but we'll definitely get this thing installed. It comes in a little case, like I said, where you can mount that, and then this thing comes out. It'd be nice to have it somewhere where I could have it plugged in if I need to, because then I could monitor basically my camper if my power goes out. That'd be pretty cool. But man, that's pretty neat. So it comes with a really cool app, easy to download, user-friendly, nothing too complicated about it. And like I said, it'll tell you how much your power is, 100% charge, pretty cool, and the temperature, what's going on. So if I had a dog, it'd definitely be not too comfortable right now, but hey, it's way better than being outside. I'm pretty happy right now. So even if you have stuff inside you don't want to get ruined, you're like, hey, I got some temperature sensitive instruments or whatever going on, I got some food or whatever you have inside your camper, you could always open your app and it'll tell you exactly how hot it is, how cold, and where you're at. So looking at the map right there, boom, hit that, tells your location wherever you are in the United States. I won't show you exactly where I'm at. So like I said, you hit that, it'll tell you exactly where you're at. I'm not gonna hit it right now, give it away, but it's pretty cool. Let me go outside and show you how hot it is, honestly, right here, right now in South Carolina. So I just came outside and it's over 100 degrees. It's saying 109. Dang, that is hot. That's pretty crazy. It's pretty quick. I mean, tell me, almost instantly the temperature out here, it's nice. But if you love camping, you have pets or you have stuff that you don't want to get ruined, this thing's definitely nice to have. Gives you a peace of mind when you're out there camping. You don't have to worry about it, like I said, losing power, losing your camper, and knowing exactly how hot it is all the time. So it's a nice app to have, nice product to have in your RV. Definitely recommend it. If you're interested, we have a 40% off promo code down below. Go ahead and give that a click. Check out their website. The customer support's really friendly. Updates, I mean, they were talking with me back and forth, no problem. Seem like really nice guys. You have time, check it out. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for this video. Honestly, we got a lot of stuff done. I'm super happy about it. That was a big deal. Since we bought the RV, I was really worried about that front glass, but hey, we got it on there. Now we can keep moving forward. Like I mentioned, we're going camping in about a week. A lot to do, a lot of stuff to get done. So many little things here and there, but hey, we're gonna knock it out. Have a great weekend. Enjoy, guys. Like I said, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming up next. We get this thing done and knocked out. See you till next time.